I'm super excited to invite you in Cologne between the 20th and the 22nd of June. We are going to work on grotesque characterization for physical comedy. What does it mean? It means that we're going to work in physical and vocal transformation. We take inspiration from life, from the observation of life. We're going to really explore how we can use what we observe, our memory, our personal stories, or the stories that we read, people and we see, and how to make that our source of inspiration to create bold, bigger than life, bonkers characters and incredibly funny situations. The tools and the technique that we will explore are taken directly from my devising methodology and the tools that I utilized to develop my solo show, Don't You Dare. We're going to work with this idea of transforming into different characters within the same piece, how we can quickly and effectively transform both physically and vocally to capture the audience and maintain the direct connection with them. We're going to talk a lot about the connection with the audience interaction, tempo rhythm, the importance of tempo rhythm in performance, comic timing, of course, motif, repetition of motifs. So this is the perfect course for improviser, comic actor, stand-up comedian. If you want to expand your skills in physical comedy, then join us in Cologne between the 20th and the 22nd of June. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye!